Welcome! I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper, and boy do I have a surprise for you. I have an unboxing from Kimberbell. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back, you guys. I'm so excited you can join me on this special unboxing from Kimberbell. I can't even tell you how excited I am. I went to the HH America's trade show for crafters, quilters, fiber artists. It was so much fun a couple weeks ago, and I got to talk to Kim Christopherson from Kimberbell. That was one of the single most exciting moments in my entire history at that show. It was so exciting to meet her in person. I have always admired Kimberbell and the things that they do to reinvent the embroidery machine and the things that you can do creatively. I think they are at the heart of inspiration when it comes to creativity, especially with embroidery and also in fiber arts. One of the things I really enjoy is working with my hands and craft work. When I'm on the bus or if I'm traveling somewhere or on my camping trips, it's not always easy to pull out a sewing machine to do some work. The people at Kimberbell came up with punch needle, and it is really fun, and I want to share with you what those kits look like. They are letting me review these kits all on my own. I'm not getting paid. This isn't a paid promotion. I'm just gonna share with you the excitement of this product. So they sent me 3 really cool punch needle kits, and I'm gonna unbox them today. On the next go around, I will be filming a separate video with one of the punch needle kits on how to do it because it's so simple and you'll really enjoy it. Not only that, I'll also include the tutorials from the Kimberbell YouTube channel so you can see how each one of these come together. I will also make sure I share a link in the description below on each one of the kits that I'm going to unbox today. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. I'm so excited. Kimberbell. So excited. Ooh, okay. So I have Life is Cherry Sweet. This kit is $29.98. And this kit here is Buds and Blooms. It's $35.98. And this one was a surprise. I didn't know they were gonna send this one to me. It's a big kit. It's called Birdsong Bouquet, $49.98. I mean, look at how cool these kits are. Everything that you need is in here to create the project on the cover. Everything, including the tools. And it's in such a cute way to travel. I mean, take this on the train or a plane. People are gonna wanna know, what are you working on? It looks so cute. I'm so excited about this, you guys. I haven't done hand needlework for a very long time. I've always been about using my sewing machine and also going and doing embroidery with my machine. But it's been a long time since I've sat down with my hands to actually create something. I tried knitting a couple years ago and I could purl and I could knit, but I couldn't do them in order. But something like this I'm gonna be able to do, and there's some simple ways to approach punch needle. If you've ever had challenges with punch needle before, Kimberbell has figured it out, made it so easy that anybody can do this. And it's a really great way to kind of get that aggression out when you had a hard day and you want to make something fun. It is so cool. I watched a couple videos from Kimberbell. I can't wait to share with you how fun these are to make. But in today's video, we're just doing an unboxing. I'm going to take one of the kits and actually take them apart so you can see what's actually included. These kits start at $16 and go up, and you can go right on Kimberbell's website and choose punch needle and go to their store, and they're all listed right there. You'll be able to see them. There's some really cool ones for the 4th of July coming up. Some of them come with these cute little round hoop frames that serve as a wall hanging, and they're mixed media. They have buttons and they also have applique. Everything you need is included and the instructions are crystal clear. And I love this one too, the little cherries. Going to my favorite place, Door County, I just always think of cherries when you're in Door County because they have the best cherry pie. I love this one with the little heart cherries. It's so super cute. And of course the bird song. This is an actual frame, and what's nice about this one is the monk cloth on here is already attached to the frame itself. You don't even have to worry about mounting it. It's all taken care of for you. Super cool. So what do you guys think? Are you excited about Kimberbell as much as I am? And I can't wait to actually start making one of these kits. I've been holding on to these for about a week because unfortunately I fell ill for a week after the show. Apparently a lot of people did, but I'm finally back together, ready to film a video for you guys. I really want to make one of these, but I wanted to save it so I could surprise you all on how cool they are before I actually take one and put one together. So what I'm gonna do is we're going to go ahead and unbox one of these together to show you what comes in the kit so you get a better idea. I'm going to have the overhead camera so you're going to be able to see what is all included in these kits. And so I'll see you there. Okay everyone, let's go ahead and look at these kits a little bit closer. So this is the Bugs and Blooms. This is the one we're actually going to open up and check out what comes with it. And this is the Birdsong Bouquet, which is just so beautiful. And I love the textures and the different stitches that are on here. By the way, Kimberbell has all the tutorials on the different stitches. Everything has already been taken care of, so what you need to know is just what you're going to learn, and it's so much fun and easy. And of course, I love this little cherry heart one, so you know how I talked about it in the video. Super cute. But let's go ahead and see what comes inside one of these kits. Now remember, the Bugs and Blooms, this one retails for $35.98, and I do have the link below in the description on where you can find it on their website. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness, look at how nicely packaged this is. Oh, that must be the applique. And here's some reference information, and these are the instructions. And look at this, they even give you a QR code where you can scan and watch the video. That's so cool. The instructions are so clearly laid out. I absolutely love this. And it will tell you different things in the different parts of the fill where you can understand the different kinds of stitches. Okay, so those are the appliques. They're already pre-cut and ready to go. And we have a tracing pen that's included on the monk cloth. You can trace this design from behind onto here, so you know where your stitches go. I personally have invested in a light table, so I can do this. I got this on Amazon for $19. It was super cheap. But according to Kimberbell, in my email that I just received, they're going to have this already pre-printed on the monk cloth in any kits that go out starting at the end of May. That's awesome. That's just one more step that you don't have to do to make this simple and easy, because they say these kits are easy to be done within 2 hours. I just think that's phenomenal. I just love how this is packaged. It's so nice and neat. There's the monk cloth. Oh, that's really nice. You could just set that with an iron to make it nice and flat. And then with this particular kit, I would just use a light table and just go ahead and trace the design right onto the monk cloth with this pen. And then you use this as a reference to the stitches and the colors. So easy to follow. And then of course we have the punch needle tool that also comes with a little threader to help you thread the yarn through the needle. Super easy to do. And you guys, on the next video, I will be doing a quick tutorial on how to actually get started with the punch needle. And I'll show you how to thread it. It's super simple. We also have a hand needle, a couple of hand needles actually, as well as a needle threader. There is some hand embroidery on this particular design. And oh my gosh, you guys, we've got some buttons. So I would imagine those buttons go on the ladybug spots. How cute is that? I like this multimedia, multi-dimensional. It's just so much fun. It makes the project that much more exciting, and it looks like we have some thread to go with that as well. And of course, here is our hoop. Looks really nice. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It's made out of like a flexible rubber material, and then your monk cloth goes in it, and it looks like real wood. It's so nice. And that flexible material makes it that much easier to put the monk cloth on. You definitely want to have the monk cloth mounted onto this before you start your punch needle. This is going to help serve as a foundation when you're doing punch needle work. And then of course the skeins of yarn. Look at how cute their branding is. Oh my goodness. I'm geeking out. You know what's kind of cool about this? It gives you everything that you need to be able to make this really awesome project. And then once you kind of realize the foundation of everything that's required, be inspired to do your own type of punch needle work. And we got the different colors, green and orange. Cute. Ooh, the red. Ooh, and there's a lavender. Oh, that's because there's a lavender flower in there. I mean, I think for me, I would get addicted to these kits. As soon as I would finish one, I want to order another, and that's probably what I will be doing. But this will keep me busy for a while. And like I said, you guys, I'll be doing this together with you just to get you started on how punch needle works and how easy it is. And remember, I will have all the links below on where you can buy the ones I showed in my unboxing today. Okay, I'll see you back in my studio. Welcome back, you guys. Wasn't that cool to see everything that you get in a kit to make one of these projects? You get everything. I mean, it takes the stress out of being creative, doesn't it? When you get a pattern that you love and you're like, I want to make this, and then you realize you don't have the hardware for something, or you've got to go get the batting or the backing, or there's some thread missing or needles not included, and then you're like, oh, I just wish I had a kit that had everything. Kimberbell is one of the few companies out there that when they make a kit, they give you everything. And that is one of the reasons why I love them so much, both for machine embroidery and now punch needle. I just think that's great. You have something you can take on the go when you can't bring your embroidery machine. How cool is that? I hope you guys enjoyed this special feature. I am so excited to deliver a tutorial on one of these kits, so please stay tuned for that. Remember everybody, if you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the way we're going to be able to grow this channel, bring exciting things like Kimberbell, and also to continue to share kindness and creativity. Also, please leave a comment below and tell me what you loved about today's video. Do you like this collaboration with Kimberbell? And is there a kit that you like the most? Tell me what you think. I would love to hear from you. Also, make sure that you share this content. Get the word out that the Quilting Camper is a thing. And don't forget to see what I'm doing everywhere else in my life on my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. Thanks so much for watching and sharing time with me today. I appreciate you so very much. We'll see you on the next one in my craft room, making one of these together. Bye for now. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.